Please don't comment on how I chose to season my food. My food is not salty at all. If you don't season your food to taste, then that's your business. But please don't on how I season my food. You don't know what diet I'm on. You don't know how much seasoning I'm supposed to put on my food. You don't know how much sodium I'm supposed to intake. And regardless of how I season my food, water anyway, we all do. So some of your comments don't even make sense. Yeah, some of your comments don't even make sense. And you just sound like that cartoon for Charlie Brown. Why? You talking, you ain't making no sense. So I'm going to remove your comment. You don't tell other people what to eat and how to eat. Hey, Miss PT. I'm not the type of person that can eat a lot of sodium. I don't like food that's over salty. I would not eat it if it was over salty. My food don't even taste over salty. But on the carnivore diet, you can eat as much salt and more salt than you normally would eat. So, as long as, because a lot of people that want to give you, number one, they could never show their face. They could never show you their body. They could never come live like this. When you click on channels, they go to other people's channels talking noise all day, every day. You could never click on their channel and see a video, see their face, see their body. They probably have more health issues. Anybody you know. I don't have no health issues. I don't have high blood pressure. I'm not diabetic. I'm not pre-diabetic. I don't have any health issues. And whatever people think my health issues are, I bet you they got more health issues than me. I bet you they take medicine. Some of them need to be in a straitjacket. Hi, Miss PT. That was so good. Look. I must lift fingers. Some people say stupid stuff that don't even make sense. Your food is so salty, that's why you drinking water. No, I'm drinking water because I'm thirsty, dummy. I'm drinking water because I'm supposed to drink water. Water is an essential part of staying alive. I'm drinking water. Who don't drink something with their food? You sound stupid and you look stupid too. And you need to change the name from Christian to devil. You need to change the name of your channel from Christian to demon. I said it. No, they wanted to get me. They would get me to tell them off today, child. I guess I did. You know, the devil is the father of lies. When they name their channel Christian and they coming in people's channel trolling, you already know that that's the devil's a father of lies. You name your channel Christian when you know you're a demon. That's very deceptive. Why you not talking no more? Because I didn't block you. Y'all want to say, oh, she blocked people. I ain't block you. I will, but I didn't block you yet. How come it is y'all say whatever y'all want to say, and then when somebody confronts y'all, y'all get silent? I wonder why. You can't handle it? You didn't expect me to read you?